If you've ever wanted to send a game to a friend the easy way, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to gift games on Epic Games, step by step, so you can surprise a friend with a full game, or even a DLC add-on without any confusion. We'll walk through the entire process inside the Epic Games launcher, from finding the game all the way to checking out, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to complete a gift in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer, and make sure you're signed into your Epic account. Once the launcher is open, use the search bar or browse the store to find the game or DLC add-on you want to gift. This is important because you need to open the exact product page for the item you want to send. When you find the game, click on it to open the full store listing. On the product page, look for the gift button. This option is what starts the gifting process instead of buying the game for yourself. Click Gift, and Epic Games will bring up the gifting menu. Now you'll see a pop-up where you can choose your friend's Epic Games display name from the list. Make sure you select the correct person, especially if you have multiple friends with similar names. After that, you may see an option to choose a pre-written message from a drop-down menu. This lets you add a quick note to make the gift feel a little more personal. If you want to make the moment even better, you can also choose a delivery date. This is perfect if you want to schedule the surprise for a birthday, holiday, or special event. If you want the gift sent right away, just leave the delivery date blank for instant delivery. Once everything looks correct, review the details one last time to make sure the right friend and the right game are selected. Then click Go to checkout. From there, you'll continue through the normal payment process to complete the gift. After checkout is finished, Epic Games will send the gift according to the delivery option you selected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to gift games on Epic Games. It's a quick process once you know where to click, and it's a great way to share your favorite games with friends. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more gaming tutorials, just like this.